Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and happy Mask Monday friends and ladies collaboration day. Y'all, I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a good beginning of the holiday week. And I hope whatever you got planned for the holiday, you're super excited about. So let's go ahead, get a mask on. I have a scent box to unbox with you guys, but otherwise this should be fairly quick unless I turn down a road and start talking about crazy things in life, but you know, that could happen. So I'm going to use these Heimish Hydrogel eye patches. I've used this many times with you guys. They are very, very slippery and they are very, very cold. I just took these out of the refrigerator and I had them on the top shelf, which is close to the freezer. They are really cold. I actually have had them on the desk for about 5 minutes because they were so cold. I wasn't sure I was going to want to put them on my eyes. Whew. You know, they almost felt like things were starting to freeze. Sometimes in this refrigerator, I keep these in. Sometimes that top shelf can have issues with freezing, and these are so slippery. Come on. You know, freezing things. So these might have gotten a little too cold. Ooh, gosh, that's cold. Super, super amount of serum on these. So then I have another mask from Kala, the brand I've been talking to you guys about a lot. One of the many Korean brands that I really like that I do get at TJ Maxx. I'm sure you could probably occasionally find these at Marshall's. But this is the hyaluronic acid and collagen mask. I've used this with you guys before. Again, Korean skincare. Let's go ahead and get into it. This one is also probably pretty cold. Although, like I said, I had it on the on my desk for about 5 minutes because it was so cold. Oh, look at you guys! Look at all the serum that comes on these masks. That's awesome. You really get your good money's worth. I can smell the mask from here. There is a little fragrance to it. I don't know if that is intended to be actual fragrance or if it's just the serum smell. Wow, this has got a ton of serum. It's a thicker mask. I like it a lot. Okay. What we got going on here? Never seen one with the eye pieces that are still attached that might accidentally flick up over your eye. So you gotta be careful about that. Woohoo, she's cold. Woohoo. Okay, come on. Ooh, and really drippy. Tons of serum. I mean, I don't know if you can see how wet my hands are, but I think I should definitely be able to get 2 uses out of this, which I think that's great. It's more affordable to get as many uses as you can. I don't really... Honestly, what I would say is use the mask twice and then discard the mask and any leftover serum that might be in there. You know, just put that on your skin and call it good, because I think after 2 uses, things are going to get a little dirty. Even with clean skin, I mean, I scrubbed up and everything, but we're going to go ahead and put this on. It's a silicone mask I got off Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon shop. If you guys are shopping through Black Friday, I would love it if you'd support my channel by clicking through my Amazon shop. My link down below from Amazon shop. I will get some credit for anything that you purchase when you click through on Amazon. You know, it's pennies on the dollar and it doesn't cost you anything at all. Just takes a couple pennies out of Jeff Bezos's pocket, and Lord knows he's one of the richest men in the world. I think he can handle that. Okay, there. Yeah, I've never had these actually stay stuck on, so we'll just keep those away from my eyes. Okay, so I got my monthly subscription from SCENTBOX. I was thinking about canceling this, but since I'm doing really well temping, and I think I may end up permanently at this place, I have not canceled this. So SCENTBOX is a monthly fragrance subscription. It's got a multitude of levels depending on the type, basically the cost or expense of the fragrances you're looking at. I started at their base level. I'm now up to what they call their premium level. If I recall, this is $22 or $23 a month. So kind of almost the equivalent of a beauty box. Let's see if I got everything. Okay. They always sent you some inserts. Oh yeah, lots of stuff coming in here. Okay, we got a wine voucher from Naked Wines. If you want it, go ahead. I'm not going to stay very long on that. We've got the HelloFresh meal kit, 12 free meals. There's a code on this. If you want it, go right ahead. First time users only. Okay, and then we got this. I believe this is probably like Farmer's Dog or something. Yep, the Farmer's Dog. Not even going to get into that. Then my little insert. Now, the nice thing about this is if you don't like the fragrance that you picked that they sent you, as long as you don't use a ton of it, you get 1 or 2 squirts and you go, oh, I don't like this. You can contact them and send it back. They will give you a new item. You can pick a new fragrance. So this is how they come every month. So this is 8 milliliters or 0.27 ounces. And it's whatever fragrance you pick. Like I said, it's dependent on how expensive the full bottle is, will be what you're available to get at the level of your subscription. Like I said, I used, gosh, I was at their base level for probably a year, and now I've bumped up to their premium level. I do often get refreshers of ones that I've used, because if it's fragrances that I enjoy, I'll get a new atomizer to get me another month's worth. So you just screw these to get the atomizer. I always pull them out. You should get a full atomizer, and I always check to make sure that the top is screwed on tight. There have been times where it's leaked out, and I've gotten, like, the atomizer's been down to here. I've gotten empty ones. Not often, but they can leak. And even after you get them, they can leak. So I always kind of make sure that they are tightly screwed on. So yeah, I like this. This is cute. I like this little atomizer. Well, let's see what fragrance I picked. I don't recall. I usually go in and try to set up 4 or 5 months worth of choices. And then it's done for 4 or 5 months, and I don't have to keep looking at it. You can do it however you want. You can go in every month and change things up. You can do whatever you want. Okay, this is a Giorgio Armani. This is Si Passion Intense by Giorgio Armani. It's an eau de parfum spray. I feel like I've tried this one. Now I'm going to tell you that those of you who watch my channel know I love the smells of jasmine. So this is going to have notes of jasmine in it. It's very sweet and very floral. That jasmine scent really comes through. It's a very powerful jasmine smell. I feel it's like a higher octane. It's quite sweet. So that floral really pops through. And now, like, the mid-tone notes are starting to pop in. It's nice. Maybe some sandal. Ooh, interesting smells. I think this is going to be a really nice fragrance for the holidays. I think this would be I might be wearing this throughout the holidays. This is giving me, like, notes of, like, I don't think there's cinnamon in here, but whatever it is, it's giving me kind of that holiday smell. So it's quite strong, though. It is an eau de parfum. The parfums have a longer last than the eau de toilettes. So I generally will not pick an eau de toilette. They are a lower quality fragrance. I always pick a parfum. And I want one that has a longer staying power. I want one that I'm not going to go like this in 10 minutes to smell it and kind of go, oh, I can barely smell it. I want to have one that oh yeah, I'm wearing perfume. So make sure you don't rub when you are spraying it and you transfer it. Just tap to transfer the scent from here to here. If you rub, what they call it crushing the notes. That friction and the heat from that friction can actually destroy the fragrance smell. So this is interesting. I really feels like notes of cinnamon, and I think it's probably messing with me because of the mask I have on, but that's an interesting smell for sure. I'll be curious to see. And it's very powerful. That is a very powerful fragrance. That's not something you're going to want to bathe yourself in, because people are going to, you probably make somebody's eyes water. It is quite strong. So that's got some staying power from what I can tell. So that's nice. Like I said, it's Giorgio Armani, and it is Armani Si Passion Intense. Okay, cool. It's good stuff. So let me know if you're interested, you guys. I will put the link to my referral code down below in the description. Now, if you use my referral code, whatever subscription level you choose, you'll pay the regular price, but your second month you will get absolutely free. Now, if you don't want to use my referral code, they have a discount. You can go on their website direct, SCENTBOX. And remember, it's SCENTBOX, not bird, box. There's other fragrance subscriptions out there. This is the one I recommend. you can get it like a $5 or $6 off your first month, but you're not going to get a free month. You're just going to pay a discounted amount. So I always say this, when I subscribed, I used another influencer's code. And then what happens is she got a free month and I got a free month. So if you use my referral code, you will get your second month free, and then I will get a code to get one free month. So, and a few of you have done that, and I really appreciate it. It's really nice to get those referrals. I don't get any money or anything, but I do get to pick a free month, so that is always nice. And then if you do that, when you sign up, you will also get a way to refer your friends and family, and they can do the same thing for you. If you have a family member or a friend of yours that uses your referral code, it's the same scenario for you both. You would get a month free and they would get their second month for free. So it's kind of a nice referral option. Like I said, I have the higher level, and I have found that using referral codes, they don't restrict you to whatever level of fragrance that you have in your subscription. So I have actually used my referral codes. I think I've used 2 referral codes on fragrances that are above my subscription level because I wanted to try them. So it's kind of a neat way to go and get a month's atomizer at a level of the subscription that you don't actually pay for. So they haven't taken that away yet. I think that's really a nice feature. So all right, that's all I got, guys. This mask feels amazing. Again, it's by Cala, and it's the hyaluronic acid and collagen mask. Here we go. Definitely going to get 2 uses out of it. Quick check-in on Barn Besties. Megan and I have been just busting it, trying to get tons of videos out. I believe we decided we now have videos scheduled on our YouTube channel through the end of April. We have just spent today, I always film these Mask Mondays on Sunday. We spent today at a brand new boarding facility. It was a lady I met through a friend. So we traveled over to the city is called Stoughton, and it is south of the capital of Wisconsin, which is Madison. And it is, Megan lives in Oregon. I'm going to be moving into Oregon, and it is southeast of there. So yeah, it was really fun. We got a ton of video. I'm really excited to share it. I think we're going to be pushing that video out in December/January, squeezing it into our schedule. But we also have 2 more farms scheduled in the coming couple of weeks. And then Megan goes to California for 3 months. So anyway, we're trying to get a ton of stuff recorded before she goes, but I am literally like down to the wire on packing. Property is listed. I have a feeling we're going to be getting offers on it very soon, and I'm probably going to have to really buckle down and probably tear down my office. We'll see, and get ready to move. But I'm kind of wanting to leave this up as long as possible because it's just easier to work from here. I'll do it as long as I can, but I don't know. It could be, I could be out of here in a month. So we'll see. But yeah, so things are going a little crazy, but I hope you guys have a really great Thanksgiving. Please be safe. This is for us up in the Great Plains states. It's deer hunting season, and the deer, the male deer are in rut, and they're chasing the does, the female deer, around. And I mean, I had deer running in front of my car today. I've had a ton of deer running in front of the car. It's a really dangerous time for the cars versus deer right now. And of course, we've got a holiday. People are traveling this week. So be careful if you are in your car. Watch the weather. It looks like there's going to be some crazy weather across the U.S. this week, from coast to coast. So here it's just going to be cold. I think it's cold with chances of snow and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. My SCENTBOX. Again, SCENTBOX, not Bird. This is the one I recommend. An interesting fragrance. It's settling down now. And yeah, I'll be curious to try that throughout the holidays and see what people think. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I will see you all on my next video. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.